Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. If you're living with diabetes, you know how important it is to start your day with a healthy, balanced breakfast. Today, we're going to dive into the top 12 healthy breakfast foods that are perfect for diabetic patients. These options will help you maintain stable blood sugar levels, keep you full longer, and give you the energy you need to tackle your day. Let's jump right in. Before we get into the top 12 foods, let's talk about why breakfast is so important for diabetic patients. Eating a healthy breakfast helps to stabilize your blood sugar levels after fasting overnight. It's crucial to choose foods that won't cause a spike in your glucose levels, but will provide steady energy and keep you feeling satisfied. So, what makes a good breakfast for someone with diabetes? You want to look for options that are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats while being low in refined carbs and sugars. These foods help keep your blood sugar levels steady and prevent those mid-morning crashes. Oats and chia seeds. Let's kick things off with a classic breakfast favorite, oats. Oats are an excellent choice for diabetic patients because they're high in soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. A bowl of oatmeal can keep you full for hours, preventing overeating later in the day. Make sure to choose plain oats without added sugars. You can top your oatmeal with some fresh berries, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a handful of nuts for extra fiber and healthy fats. Speaking of chia seeds, these little seeds are packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Chia seed pudding is an easy make-ahead breakfast option that's great for diabetes management. Simply mix chia seeds with almond milk. Let it sit overnight, and in the morning, you have a creamy, delicious pudding ready to go. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Let's talk dairy. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are two great breakfast options for diabetics. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in carbohydrates, making it a perfect choice for stabilizing blood sugar. Just make sure to choose plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. You can add some fresh fruit, like berries, and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds for added texture and flavor. Cottage cheese is another excellent option that's high in protein and low in carbs. You can enjoy it with a side of veggies or mix it with some nuts and a drizzle of honey for a sweet and savory combo. Eggs and avocado. Next up, eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein, and they're incredibly versatile. Whether you prefer them scrambled, boiled, or poached, eggs are a low-carb, high-protein option that helps stabilize blood sugar levels. For an even more satisfying breakfast, pair your eggs with avocado. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy fats and fiber, which are beneficial for managing blood sugar levels. You can try a simple avocado toast with whole grain bread, or slice up some avocado alongside your eggs. Berries and apples. Fruit can absolutely be a part of a healthy breakfast for diabetics, especially low glycemic fruits like berries and apples. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins while being low in sugar. Apples are another great option. They're high in fiber, especially in the skin, and they have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. Pairing these fruits with some protein or healthy fat, like Greek yogurt or nuts, makes for a perfectly balanced breakfast. Quinoa breakfast bowls. Another fantastic option for a diabetic-friendly breakfast is quinoa. Quinoa is a high-protein, gluten-free grain that's also rich in fiber and low on the glycemic index. You can prepare a savory breakfast bowl with quinoa, topped with some sautéed veggies, a boiled egg, and avocado. Or, if you prefer something sweeter, try a quinoa breakfast bowl with almond milk, fresh fruit, and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds. Quinoa's versatility makes it a great addition to any breakfast menu. Whole grain toast and nut butter. Now, who doesn't love toast? The key here is to choose whole grain bread, which has more fiber and nutrients than refined white bread. Whole grains take longer to digest, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Pair your toast with a spread of natural nut butter, like almond or peanut butter. Nut butters are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a great addition to a diabetic-friendly breakfast. Just be sure to choose nut butters without added sugars or oils. For a little extra sweetness, you can top your nut butter toast with some banana slices or a sprinkle of chia seeds. Smoothies. Smoothies are a quick and easy breakfast option, but for diabetics, it's important to choose your ingredients wisely. Start with a base of leafy greens like spinach or kale. Add some low glycemic fruits like berries or a small amount of banana, and top it off with a source of protein like Greek yogurt, protein powder, or almond butter. To keep your smoothie balanced, avoid adding too much fruit or sweeteners and opt for ingredients that are high in fiber and protein. This will help keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the morning. Veggie scrambles and frittatas. Finally, let's talk about veggie scrambles and frittatas. These are excellent options for incorporating more vegetables into your breakfast, which is great for managing diabetes. Veggies like spinach, bell peppers, and mushrooms are low in carbs, but high in fiber and nutrients. You can make a simple veggie scramble with eggs or tofu for a plant-based option. Or prepare a frittata with your favorite vegetables and a little bit of cheese. These dishes are not only delicious, but also help keep your blood sugar levels in check. And there you have it, 12 healthy breakfast foods that are perfect for diabetics. From oats and chia seeds to eggs and avocado, these options will help you start your day on the right foot and keep your blood sugar levels stable. Remember, the key to managing diabetes is balance. Combining protein, fiber, and healthy fats in your breakfast will help you stay full longer and avoid those mid-morning crashes. Whether you're a fan of sweet or savory, there's a diabetic-friendly breakfast option for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to FitLife Fusion, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And if you have any other favorite breakfast ideas or questions about managing diabetes, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.